Welcome to the YouTube channel named as CAT OMETs by Manoj Mahajan. We have already started the QA Mind Boggling Concepts Series, in which I'm covering up 200 plus concepts, never seen before concepts and the solution. So make sure that you watch this video till the end. And these concepts would be relevant from the CAT and the OMETs perspective. And make sure that you do subscribe to my channel CAT OMETs by Manoj Mahajan if not done yet. So let's look at the problem first. This has appeared in the one of the CAT paper. So the question is, what is the value of this sum? So what they have given 7 multiplied with 11 plus 11 multiplied with 15 plus 15 multiplied with 19 and so on till 95 multiplied with 99. So there is of course a standard way to look at solving this question, which I'm not covering up over here. So the idea over here in this series is never seen before concept. So normally in the basic approach, what students are going to look at, they will try to find out the nth term of this series, and then they would look forward to find out the nth term of this series. Once they get the nth term of this series, combining the two series out here, they're going to look forward for the summation of that nth term. And then whatever the number of terms we have, accordingly, we're going to put the value of n and we can get the answer. But that is very traditional way. I'm not going to look at that. So let's see the super concept out here, how we're going to proceed. So what we could have done out here. So let's look at the interesting thing out here. So I'm trying to rewrite each of the terms like this. Like what we have is there's a difference of 4 out here, 7 and 11. So 7 into 11. Next, if I look at 15, if I multiply with this. So plus 4 I did. And before 7, if I look by subtracting 4, I'll get 3. So what I'll get is 3 into 7 into 11. But this is not 7 into 11. So what we are going to do is whatever extra we have, like if I take 7 into 11 common, so 15 minus 3, 12 I'm going to have. So let me divide this with 12. So what I did smartly is I have rearranged this first term like this. Similarly, we are going to do for the other terms also, and you'll find out that the terms are going to cancel out, right? And we can get the answer straight away. So next I'm going to put as what 11 into 15 into 19 minus 7 into 11 into 15. And again, if I look 11 into 15, if I take common, so 19 minus 7 I have, which is nothing but 12. So let me divide by 12. So in the same way, if I keep doing it like this, the last would be 1 by 12 I'll have 95 into 99 into 103 minus what? 91 into 95 into 99. So this is what I'm going to have, right? So if you look further out here, what is going to cancel out if you see this term 7 into 11 into 15 will cancel out with this minus 7 into 11 into 15. So what we are going to be left out, let me put it over here, 1 by 12 I'm taking common. So what is going to be left out is this term that is there, and also this term. Rest all will cancel out. So my answer is nothing but 1 by 12. In the bracket, I'm going to put 95 into 99 into 103 minus 3 into 7 into 11. That's it. So finally, the answer would be calculated with the help of this result. So there is no need to do the calculation out here. We don't have to even look forward to use the calculator. So one more super trick shortcut I'm going to tell you how we can derive the answer from here now. So these are the options we have. So first option, second, third, and the fourth. So one of them has to be the answer out here. So whatever number we are going to pick from the option. So it could be first option, second, third, or maybe fourth. So this number we are going to multiply with what? This side, if I take this 12. Okay. So what we can do is we can actually answer with the help of unit digit concept. So what we are going to do is We are going to calculate the left hand side unit digit, and we are going to look accordingly uh, the options, and we are going to eliminate, right? So let's see how we're going to do it. So over here, if I look, this is a multiple of 5 and it's a odd multiple of 5. So the last digit would be 5 itself. And let's calculate over here 3 into 7, that is 21. So 1 is the unit digit. 1 into 1 would be giving me 1 finally. So the unit digit of this entire left hand side would be nothing but equal to 4. Now let's see what number we can take over here out of the option, and multiplying with 12 gives me the unit digit 4. So the option which is not going to give me the unit digit as 4, definitely I can rule out that. So if I pick up the first option, over here it is 0. So 0 multiplied with 12, or if I look, 2 is the unit digit of this. So I'm going to get the unit digit as 0 if I use the first choice. So this cannot be the answer. If I use 80751, so 1 over here, 2 over here, 1 into 2 will give me 2 as a unit digit, and I want 4. So this also cannot be the answer. If I pick up this 7 and 2, multiplying gives me 4, but we cannot be 100% sure that this has to be answer, because the approach is, if you do not get 4, then definitely that is not going to be the answer. So we have to look at the fourth option also. So when we put the fourth option over here, the unit digit is 3. 3 into 2 gives me 6. So this also cannot be the answer, because we want the unit digit to be 4. So what is my right answer? That is option number 3. So I did a wonderful approach. If I look over here within the problem also, using the unit digit, and we are trying to do the elimination. If we are able to eliminate out of the 4 choices, 3 choices, we can definitely get the answer. So the correct answer is option 3. Keep following the channel CAT 2IM by Manoj Mahajan, and you would surely love those 200 concepts. So this is the fourth one. Soon I'll be uploading few more concepts. So keep following, and do share the uh, channel with the CAT aspirants and the OMETs aspirants, so that they can also look forward to cover up these free videos. Soon I will be also starting with the LRDI set solving sessions also, right? So make sure that you do like the video. If yet not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.